Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create company in the Tally. So this is the first form of our Tally. Now to create company, we must have to enter in particular mode. So go to the work in educational mode and select gold edition mode unlimited multi-user. So this is the educational mode with limited functionalities provided by Tally. Once you enter onto the golden mode, you will see one window in which you can select company, or in that window you can also see one option create company. So to create company, enter onto the create company option. So it will ask for the entering data of company. In name field, enter your company name. I am entering various details of company. Company name is my company. This mailing name will print on different reports. So if you want to change that mailing name, then you can change from here. After that, enter the address of company. Select the country of your company and then select state. Right hand side you can see various state which are applicable to your country. You can type your state name and enter onto the state which is displayed in right hand side of window. You can enter pin code, telephone number, mail address. Select your currency symbol which is rupees by default for India. After that, you have to select of which type of account you want to maintain. Only accounts or accounts with inventory. I am selecting accounts with inventory. Now here you have to choose financial year. Enter here financial year, or financial year starts from 1st April. After that, books beginning from. This option is used to when your company is start after financial year. So you can enter here detail like 1/5/2012. You cannot enter 1/3/2012 because your financial year is starting from 1st April. So your books will not start before financial year. So here enter your book beginning from. After that we reach at security control option. In this option, various security related configuration are set. You want to disallow opening in educational mode? I am selecting no. Type here your Tally word password. So I am currently leaving it blank. Use security control. I am selecting no. Now at the bottom of the window you have to select currency symbol, formal name which is Indian rupee. You can change this name. I am changing it to INR. Number of decimal places I am currently taking 2. Is symbol suffix to amounts? If you want to suffix this amount to symbol, then you have to write here years. Show amounts in millions, because in India we say amounts in crores and lakhs. So I am currently here putting option no. Put a space between amount and symbol, yes. Decimal places for printing amounts in word, 2. Enter and you will see one message, accept. Press yes to save this company, and now your company is created and here you can go. So this is about creating company in Tally. Thank you.